This cat is called name on billboard. We can print our name on a billboard ad, but we have to find out how much it will cost. Each character has a default price of £30, but that can be different if two arguments are given. But note, you can't use the multiply operator. And let's suppose that your name would be, well, I don't try to pronounce it, but if it has 20 characters, then the price would be 20 multiplied by 30 is £600. Well, let's go. It's pretty difficult that you can't use this multiplier operator. Else I would do the following. I would take the length function and put in the name as an argument. Then you get the total amount of characters that the name consists of. And then I would multiply it with the price. It would be 260, the expected result, but that is not possible. But what we can do is the following. We can use the length property, but for iterations. So for the index and then in the range of the length of the name. And then we can print out the indices and the according letters. We can access them by putting in the name, and then we can access every single letter with the square brackets and the index. Yeah, so 13 iterations in total from 0 till 12. Yeah, what we can do is the following. Let's say that we have a result of 0. Then we can add the price to this result for a total of 13 iterations, right? So the result is equal to the result plus the price. Then what happens when we print the index again and the result? Yeah. So the first iteration, we add 20 to result. The iteration thereafter, we add another 20 and so on and so forth. And after 13 iterations, we get to 260, which is the expected result. So the only thing that we have to do is to return the result out of the loop. There we have it. And that should do the trick. Attempt. There we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.